Hi guys, it's Tony from Tony's RC Tech, and what have I got today? You probably already know because it's in the title. Anyways, LOL. Right, so basically I've been wanting to get this rock crawler for ages because of the scale of it, and for the price from Banggood. Oh my god, thank you Banggood, because here it is, the D90 rock crawler. Oh my word. All the details of this, by the way, will be in the description, so if you want it, get it, because it's amazing, an amazing truck. It's a 1/12 scale, it's got oversized wheels, 4-wheel drive, 2.4 gigahertz radio, shocks on it. Also, the box is amazing as well, the way they come in it. Right, so there's another style as well. So that's with the other canopy. So that's that canopy and that canopy. So I'm gathering there's going to be another canopy. So I've not looked at this, by the way. I've clipped it there. I've not looked at it. This is the first time. First time you see it, I see it. Anyway, here we go. So I'm going to do it. Oh, I'm so excited. I've been wanting this for ages. Oh, I've got it the right way round. Right. Oh, so there's the canopy there for the other style there. So that's even nice as well. So let's get this in, out. Oh, I'm excited. Let's not check if nothing else is in there. Oh, wow, look at the size of it. For 1/12 scale. Right, nothing else is in that box. Right, I'm gathering that's for all the little add-ons and all that you can put on it. And it shows you how to do it and all that stuff. That's basically the instructions. Anyway, right, let me just turn that over. Right, here we go. Here's the remote control. Ah, look at it. Bless it. But you know what? It's probably, I think it takes 2 AAs. You know what I mean? But you can always put different servos, different receivers and everything in this. You know how to do it, guys. Anyway, so here we go. Here's the car itself. Right, so let me just get rid of that. And there's little accessories, lights and everything, yeah. I don't know if it's got LEDs on this, I'm not sure. So it's got wing mirrors and all that, door handles for this. But guys, just look at this, the remote control, by the way. So there's the charge to charge the battery. I'm assuming the battery will be underneath the bonnet. And there it is, there's the battery. And I don't know, let me have a look. I think it's a 7.4 volt, so it's a 2S battery. And is it 500 milliamp? I don't know. Anyway, I can't see it because it's in Chinese. Anyway, it doesn't matter. You'll sort it out yourselves. There's the charger. Anyway, guys, I'm just loving this truck. Look at it already. The style of it. So I can't wait to do all my little weathering on it. All my little stuff and everything. I'll drive it as stock and all that stuff. I don't know. So oh, look at that suspension. Wow. Look at the suspension on that, guys. I'm sure it's got lights. Has it got lights? Oh, it has. It's got LEDs as well. So I'm going to put the batteries in. I'm going to put all the little accessories in. Thanks, Banggood. Oh my god, I can't wait. Look at the size of this. I'll tell you what, if I can just... Oh, I can't see what then to compare it with. Right, so I've got... Let me just... Oh no, I've got nothing to compare it with. Anyway, guys, so there it is for now. Right, so I'm going to get back to you and put all the accessories in and just show you the detail a bit more. Okay, guys, I'll be back to you. Guys, here it is. Here it is, the D90. Yeah, the rock crawler from Banggood. And I've got all the accessories on. I've took the phone off the stand so I can see it. So obviously it's binding there and it has got LEDs. And that's basically telling me that I've left the battery on and left the car on. So that's a good thing now. Right, so I'll just show you the accessories. So it gives you the window wipers, the like the vents and all this stuff. So I put all them on. It literally took me 10 minutes to put on, if that. So all these as well. So you've got all this as well. Right, and then on the back as well, all these little lights and stuff like that on here. And then I'll just turn it round. And then you've got the fuel tank as well. The fuel tank there, so that's there. So I just want to show you, you can see the inside of it, because this is actually screwed on underneath. So the inside, the detail inside is amazing, guys. I tell you, the detail of this truck. So I'm going to get all the accessories and everything for the top and all that, and just try and make it all scale. Just let me turn it around that way. Just let me see. Can you see all the controls in there, guys? Oh my god. unbelievable. So I'm going to take the canopy off and all that and paint all the inside. Might get a little figurine as well, because it's quite deep, that. So might be able to get a little figurine in there. Also, it gives you spare window wipers and spare tools. If you just have a look on there, and spare window wipers. So you could even put PVC glass on here and then use this window wiper for the back there. Obviously the other way around. So that'll be good as well for scale. So basically it's a scale truck. Even the tyre is a proper tyre you can use. So anyway, so there's the truck. I mean, look at that, guys. It's amazing. Amazing. Right, so I'm just going to put... Right, guys, as you can see, it's flashing the white lights. Right, so that's basically saying I've left the remote control on as well. So that's a good thing as well. So anyway, I'll just show you out underneath as well. So you can see there. So you can go fast. And you can go really slow as well. So again, look guys, I got this for the scale of it, and it's amazing, honest to God, right? And you just can't go wrong. Anyway, so there's that, right? And obviously, has it got backlights? No. So obviously, it's not proportional steering, which I knew that anyway when I was buying it, right? But again, you can put all your you can put servos and all that in it to make a proportional steering if you want. But hopefully, Banggood or whoever do these, yeah, will put proportional steering in it. Right, guys. So absolutely amazing truck. So I'll get back to you in a minute, guys, and I'll just do a little test around the living room like I always do, because it's actually raining again in England. We've had some nice weather as well, but anyway, I'll just get back to you in a bit, guys. I look at me. That's cool, that. Right, so right, guys, here we go. I'm in the kitchen. Right, so this is a good, like, I just thought I'd do a little pan view around it. So here we go. Right, so I'm just gonna show you again. Right, so here we go. Here we go. See, so you can go really slow. And it is. I'll tell you what. Quite fast. Quite nippy, actually. But I tell you what, guys, this car for the 1/12 scale. Oh my God, I can't believe how fast it is. Right, so anyway, so obviously, like, it's more of a trail car than a crawler car, but I reckon it can handle a few, like, rocks and stuff. So, you know what I mean? I think it's superb. Can't wait to have a proper go of it. But, and you know what, guys? You don't really need the proportional steering, because it's actually alright. Because it actually works to what it wants to do. So, but if you want to put proportional steering, you can. But for what I want, just to scale it down and all that, superb. And the lights are sound as well. So, I mean, this is just stock battery, by the way. I don't even know if it's charged or anything. But as you can see, I'm turning where I want it to turn, and I like it. So, you know what I mean? So it does do the job. And I can't believe how big this car is. Anyway, guys, that's just a quick test of the D90 from Banggood. Oh my God, guys, get on it. Because for the scale of this truck, it is superb. So, can't go wrong. Anyway, guys, there's another vehicle from me again. Right, I'll see you later, guys. That's Tony's RC Tech out. Ah, boom!